Hey guys, welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. I'm just over here at My Collectibles, which means it is time to do the giveaway. So My Collectibles very kindly donated 10 more folders for this video, and that was in celebration of hitting 20,000 subscribers. Now, we've actually gone well past 20,000 subscribers, so yeah, really happy to say that we're at 21,000 now. So yeah, just having a look at some of the new arrivals that have popped up at My Collectibles. So yeah, jump on board, have a look, and see if there's anything that you'd like to grab yourself. All right, so let's jump into it. So the video, this is from my channel. So this one here, the 20,000 sub winners and extra giveaway, which was another 10 of the folders, which we'll have a quick little look at once again in a moment. Now, I did a video, coins I don't keep and why, which has actually been really popular, and I'm going to do another one. I've had plenty of good feedback on that video, and I will do another slow hunt of $1.50 rolls. We'll continue to go through them and see if we can find some other ones in an upcoming video, so very soon we'll have that one as well. But just wanted to draw that to your attention. If you're a newbie to the collectibles scene, certainly from coin collecting, and have joined my channel, it may be worthwhile checking out that video and gaining a bit more knowledge about why we keep and what we don't keep certain coins. All right, next one is the actual folder that we're giving away. Now, I did some quick sums. Basically these are worth $29.95 each, so almost $600 worth of folders have been given out over this video and the last video. So once again, thanks very much to My Collectibles for helping us out with this one here. All right, let's get into it. Same as what we did last time. I've got our video into the random comment picker. We've filtered out duplicate users, which basically all that means is that if you've had, say, multiple comments in there, it only allows for one of those comments to be included. And I haven't included replies to comments or anything like that. And we've just asked it to remove the winner from the list after the draw. Now, I did read some of your comments in from this one here. I know that some people were saying they didn't see their name pop up when it scrolls through. That's purely just for animation purposes only. All right, so it's just a little time filler, I suppose. So yeah, it's one of those little things. I can choose to not have it, or I can choose to have it, but I choose to have it. So I think it makes it just a little bit more fun. All right, so let's get the comments. Now, this video, you've got a far better chance of winning. I don't think there is anywhere near as many comments. No, 231 comments are in for the running of winning 10 of these folders. I think we had maybe high 300s, or I can't remember, maybe even into the 400s for the last lot of 10 that we just gave away. So certainly, if you're in this draw, well done, and thank you very much for commenting. And all you had to do was leave a comment. So very, very simple with this one. So the other one, a little bit more challenging, but certainly this one, all you had to do was leave a comment. So thank you to everyone for leaving a comment and congratulating myself. And you guys are the real reason why I keep coming back and making these videos. So thank you very much for choosing to hit that subscribe button. So if you haven't already done that, make sure you do. We'll have more of these giveaways, no doubt, in the future. All right, so all we have to do now is hit the button and let's start picking our 10 random winners. Craft Beerscapade. Okay, Craft Beerscapade. Just needled 2 $1 changeovers while watching the video. Keep the content coming. So that's if you don't know, the $1 changeover coin is one of those really special coins, and that's from 2016, and it's one that we all like to try and find. Very low mintage coin, and yes, it is certainly worth a celebration each and every time you find one, because they are very difficult to find. So just over 500,000 of those. All right, so well done to Craft Beerscapade. We'll have one of those folders heading your way. Now, I haven't sent off the other ones yet. Not everyone has actually contacted me yet. I've still only had about 5 people contact me, and I haven't emailed those people back yet, but I will. So if you're watching that now, hopefully you've received an email from me by now, but I will be getting the original winners ones out in the next day or so. I've had a busy weekend. All right, so that's our first winner. We've got 9 more to go. Let's keep picking. Diane and Orchids at Victor Harbour. Love checking my chains to see if I've scored a special coin. Well, Diane, you will be receiving a special folder. So thank you very much for leaving a comment on this video. All right, let's pick another winner, guys. Walter Scrap. Congrats to the winners and to you, PJ, for making great informative videos. You've got me hooked on collecting coins, especially the $2 colored ones. Keep those great videos coming. Thanks very much, Walter. All right, Walter Scrap. All right, I've written that down. All right, let's pick another winner. This is winner number 4 for this video. Sarah Irons, thank you, PJ and My Collectibles. Yes, My Collectibles, very worthy of your thanks for making my life so much easier by providing these prizes. All right, let's pick another one. Aussie Dirt Digger, a great giveaway, and 25,000 subscribers. You like your 50 cent, but I like the goldies. I'm not sure. We're not quite at 25,000 yet, but thank you very much for your comment, Aussie Dirt Digger. Aussie Dirt Digger. All right, that's 5 down. So let's keep it moving. Adelaide Surf Lifesaver. Great video as always, and lots of thumbs up there. So thank you very much for leaving a comment. It's that easy, guys. Just leave a comment. Make sure you're subscribed, and so easy. All right, next one. Scott J, it's possible some people that commented on the video weren't planning to enter the draw anyway, and that is completely true. I do that if I already have the prize being offered or have no use for it. I'm in Vietnam collecting notes just now. Oh, looks like we might be having one of these folders heading off to Vietnam. Maybe not, but maybe he's only just holidaying over there. But no doubt Scott J will contact me and we'll work it out. Miles Edwards, what do we got here? Thanks for the great video once again. Love the giveaways. Well, a giveaway is coming your way, Miles. Thanks very much for your contribution. All right, we got 2 more to go, I think. Dave Weston. Thanks, PJ, for the fun and informative videos. Keep it up. All right, so that is Dave Weston. We have 1 more to give away in this video for this week. All right, let's pick the final winner. Trevor Dean, just noodling some 10 cents while watching your video. Got 4 changeovers so far. So I'm assuming you're talking about the 10-cent changeover there. And congratulations, Trevor. You are our final winner for this video. And that means we've given away 20 so far. So thanks to everyone who left a comment. I really do enjoy reading them all. And I haven't got through them all quite yet, but I will. And yeah, look. Yeah, the channel is growing really well at the moment, and I'm so pleased to be over 21,000. We actually, it took 2 weeks to get the last 1,000 new people to come along and subscribe. So thank you very much to all those who have hit that button And make sure you hit the bell, because each and every time I do put a video up, you'll be notified. So it's that much easier to make sure that you are aware of when a new video has come out. Alright, so guys, we're going to just finish up by just heading over to My Collectibles once again. I was having a look at some of the PCGS, and this is what I love to do on My Collectibles, is jump on there and have a look at some of the coins that they've recently had graded, and just, yeah, see what's how things are going as far as grades go, and different sort of coins that My Collectibles are having graded. So, oh, there's a nice, the Mother of Pearl coin, which I did a video on last year. Oh, the Mungo Prince one. So yeah, lots of different coins and variety out there for you to have a look at. And yeah, so go ahead, have a look at My Collectibles, and have a little shop around. Lots to see and to buy. Alright guys, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I've really enjoyed doing these giveaways, and I certainly look forward to doing more. And we'll certainly have some more of those slower style noodling videos coming up that we can go through and have a look at what I'm not keeping. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Bye for now.